There's nothing more frustrating than an engine that won't start. That's why you need to depend on Champion small engine spark plugs. As a world-renowned spark plug manufacturer, Champion knows what it takes to keep your engine running at its best. Champion is the original equipment spark plug for many of the world's power brands. We have nearly eliminated starting problems with our revolutionary premium small engine spark plug. Champion engineers have solved hard and no-start issues through our exclusive technology. The patented ribcore nose design, fine wire center electrode, and the Q inductive resistor. These technologies ensure trouble-free starts time after time. The patented ribcore nose design reduces carbon buildup on the tip of the plug for worry-free starting. While conventional plugs can foul due to over-priming and poor mix or old fuel, Champion small engine spark plugs with a patented ribcore nose design will not. The plug will fire an alternative gap before fouling. At the onset of carbon buildup, the spark jumps from the ribbed core nose to the shell, preventing fouling. Once the carbon is burned off, the plug returns to normal operation. Every Champion small engine spark plug includes a premium fine wire center electrode that creates a sharp-focused spark for faster, more consistent starting, which maximizes its ignitability. Champion small engine spark plugs features our exclusive nickel alloy that increases longevity. The new Champion small engine spark plugs also provide maximized spark energy. Unlike other small engine resistor designs, Champion small engine spark plugs utilize a Q inductive resistor optimized for CDI systems. Our plug provides lower resistance and thus more spark energy to the fine wire center electrode, allowing more energy to ignite the fuel to start your engine better. A spark plug that starts easy, starts clean, and reduces emissions. Champion small engine spark plugs are what lawn enthusiasts desire. The perfect replacement plugs for lawn and garden, marine, power sport, and other similar small engine machines.